So after this is uncommented, this get default sensor, and this part where we check if this ambient temperature is not null, that is, it exists on our Android, we register the listener for this, just like, and then we have done the same thing that we did for several. We check if these values are equal, current and new pressure value, and then we assign the new pressure, we assign the new pressure sensor value to the current sensor value. The new value is then the current one, which is read from the sensor, and then we check if these two are equal, like the previous value is equal to the current one, and we do the same for the temperature sensor value. We'll have here empty strings before when we assign both of them for the first time. Then this will contain the value of the sensor. Say if it is 25, then 25, this 25 is not equal to the empty string, so it will be true, and it will just come to this check, and this true will be okay because there is an OR here, and it will print the values. The second time when the temperature sensor will come, this value will be, new temperature value will be 25. 25 will be assigned to the current value. The new value will be then read from the sensor. If it is still 25, this will be, this condition will be is not equal. It will be with this condition, this will, because this will become equal, and this condition will not be true, so it will not come here, and the sensor value will not be true again. So, and here we have to, as we have done from the pressure value, we have to copy the temperature sensor value changed boolean, and at the start we have to set this to false again, because we have to again set it to false whenever a pressure value is, so that it's at a default condition, and even in the only in the condition where this current value is old value is then read and assigned compared with the new value, there it should be only changed to true for both pressure and temperature. Now run it and let's see what happens. Yes, so that's it. For the pressure we have 434.9, for temperature we have 0.0. Let's see what our sensors devices are showing on our emulator in the extended controls panel. So our temperature is showing 0, our pressure is showing 439. Let's change any one of them. Okay, so temperature is changed 2 times. From -23 we had maybe a pause, a break, and that's why we were not so fast. So you see, the pressure is not here, only temperature is coming. Now we change the pressure to 486. So the pressure is here now in 486. Now we change the temperature again, -36. Should come, that's it. It comes only once if we drag. Let's change it again. -19 should come after some time. Yes, -19. Let's change it again. Should be 19.7 plus 19.7. Let's change it again. 45.8. You see, so only our temperature value is coming. It's because only we are changing the temperature and the pressure value remains the same. Although it's read by our own sensor changed event, the pressure value is read, but because it is equal, always the same as the previous one, so that's why it's not being printed, as we have made this condition, and current sensor value is equals m for the pressure. Yeah, this one, because this is not true. Value change is not true for temperature or for the pressure. That's why it's only for the temperature the value change is true. It prints the temperature values. Now let's try to only change the pressure values. 530, or if there was a break, yeah, 530, yeah. Now 588, 588.4 pressure value. There is no temperature value coming. 665.1, 665.1 next value. Now next 735.5. So that's it. Now I hope you have really understood this project. When